JSON server is running? No. So let's go to your JSON server, API folder. You will open the CMD. In that, which port number we are given yesterday? 1234. So that same port number we can run. That is called JSON hyphen server space minus watch space file name data.json space minus port 1234. Started. Next, after that, we'll come to the API 3. We can see here list of products should come. List of product came. This data is coming from where? JSON server. JSON server. Okay, next we need to delete the record. Suppose when we are writing here, data is coming. In case we don't want some particular record, we can delete that also. We can keep the delete button somewhere, maybe in the last. So let's go and come to the which file? hook12.json file. In the hook12.json file, data listing is happening in the last. That is this portion. That is this portion. So first create a function to delete the record. Delete the record. To delete the record, it is very simple. We have to give one simple URL with the ID. So we can go here, write a const delete item. Delete item equal to index, not index, ID, item ID. That is coming from the JSON file. URL you can keep here. And in this URL only you need to append plus this ID. Yesterday we saw item list /1 means 1 details will come. Item list /2 means 2 will come. Item list 3 means 3 will come. Now, yes, we need to fetch the data, to edit the data, to delete the data, we have to pass the ID, followed by slash. Now come down, you will write here xeos.delete and inside we'll pass this URL. After that, that's all. Data get deleted. Then again we can follow here then function as a response. We need to capture here and then in response we will not get anything. So it will delete the record. After deleting the record again, reload the list. So this is simple function to delete the record from your backend JSON file.
Right, I want to try. Once we delete any particular item, maybe it is the issue with the JSON server or any this one from React application. This one, how we know that one? Here response we are not verifying this one.
No, JSON will not give you any response. If it is a backend language, then that will give the response.
So we can't identify where it is happened that issue.
Here you can't write anything. If you are calling any Java URL, PHP URL, then PHP people will capture the exception. Java people will capture the exception. .NET people will capture the exception. And do the exception from the backend. And exception they will send some message like particular is not matching, this is not matching. They can write if else condition. But you saw the file what we created is a JSON file. Inside we don't have any PHP code, we don't have any Java code, we don't have any if else to write there. Correct? So it is just straightforward. You send, the JSON server will capture. If not happen, then what error will come, that I don't know. Because in response we can track it. We can print this response. Console.log we can do here. See what is coming in the response. Okay. First let's delete that. We'll delete one record and then we'll see in console.log what will come as a response.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now let's come to the JSON, the loop. We need to call this. Which one? Delete item. What we are doing in this? Where is the logic? Along with the URL, you have to append the ID. Which ID? That we are that is coming from the JSON server. So now we will go to the HTML part, and after paragraph you can keep a button here called delete, and under the delete button you can call here on click equal to call delete item dot bind. Pass here this comma id, this comma item dot id, item dot id, item dot id. This comma item dot id. Okay. Let us come to the browser and see once anything is happening. Once you click on, maybe I will delete the mango, or maybe I will delete the mobile MI. See, MI mobile should go. Yeah, it's gone. Banana I'll delete. Banana is gone. Whichever the item will delete, that item will go from the list. Suppose I'll add here call onion, price 30 rupees, quantity 6 kg. I have one photo there, 1.jpg I'll keep, and then I'll keep here item details. It's imported, ONION. So here it will come onion. In my folder there was already 1.jpg, so I given it's coming here, and then we are able to delete and we are able to save. Please check that.
Sir, same error is coming in npm install.
Same error is coming in npm install.
Yes.
Then you can remove your Node.js, set up again another Node.js and try.
Sir, how to remove?
Install another one, automatically it will get update.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you please share delete item code, function code, delete item function code?
Here only, no, write this one line. Deleting. Now, when we save that item, message should come, item saved successfully. When we delete the item, message should come, item deleted successfully. Correct? If I add this 10 times, 10 times same item will get added. If I go to other component and come back, no problem, all items will be there only, because it is going to where? File system. Yes, it is storing into the JSON completely. It will delete from file system. JSON. We can check in JSON file. It will delete from there. You can add and check in that, it will get deleted. So shall we see the next thing? We need to display a message, product deleted successfully. Yes, yes, reload, because the file is modified. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we need to create a variable on the top called message. Create a variable here called message const message update message into use state empty. Yeah, okay. Message. Now come down here. After saving that, we need to update here. Or maybe before fetching the item also we can update here. Before itself you can add update message. Right inside pname plus save successfully. Okay, ready? Down. Now while deleting also, we can keep here one message name. Name deleted successfully. But name we are not passing here. Name we need to capture from the function again. We have to pass in HTML name. And here name. This value should come from the HTML when we are calling the function. Okay, ready? Down. Now we need to display that item deleted successfully. Here we can display. Maybe before, after paragraph, we can add one more paragraph. In that paragraph, a line equal to center, and we can add here message variable. Some changes you have to do.
Sir, again same error is coming.
Which error?
Same.
I asked to remove your Node.js.
Yes, sir. I removed. I installed new Node.js.
Same version.
Yes, sir.
Install some lower version.
Okay.
That version is not working. Then install some lower version. Okay, come down. When we are deleting here, the save will work. But in the case of delete here, it's need how many parameters? 2. You are passing from here only one ID. You have to pass one more. Item dot name. Item dot name. What's happening? When we delete here onion, it should say onion deleted successfully. When I add potato, price 30 rupees, item quantity 5 kg, item photo 2.jpg. I have in my public folder. I can write here item details. Good potato. Potato save successfully. Potato appear on the top. So save is happening, list is happening, delete is also happening. Okay, ready? Now next functionality we need to work on. Next we have something called edit part, but edit you cannot do as of now. For that we have to learn the use params. Use params, then only we can learn the edit functionality. Okay, the same component, same page I can show you in different way. We can create other component where we can display only items, name and price. If you click on name, their details will come in right side. Okay, left side will have, or maybe on the top there will be name. Whichever the name you click, their details will come in the down. Okay, that is one that we can try in different component. Data will come from here only. Okay, data will come from here itself. Okay, so that will have a good experience. Create next component. Component 13. Hook 13.html. You can take the copy of hook 12, complete A to Z. Okay, go ahead. Create the next component, hook 13.js. In the hooks folder only. Hook 13.js. You can take complete copy of hook 12. Hook 12 we can copy. In that you can delete the input box. You can delete the message part. You can delete the listing part. You don't need any HTML. Let it be only length. And from the script part, delete you delete, save you delete, Save all you delete. Keep only till use effect. Axios. Okay, we have not need of the Axios even. Remove that. Call only this much. Rename as a hook 13. Hook 13. Okay, ready? It's done till here. We are only listing, displaying the length in this. Now let's come to the this file app.js. Call the hook 13 app.js file. Import hook 13. Import hook 13 from my file name is hook 13. Hook 13 API 3.
Sir, API 13.
Hmm.
I have added API 3 two times.
API 3 only I have given the name. Hook 13, hook 13. Hook 13 I called here. Hook 13, yeah. So it's correct for me. Load down. Hook 12, cook 12. Should be cook 13. If I go, 4 item is coming. Check quickly. This is the hook 13 file. Call that, integrate, and get ready. You can reply once in chat if your page is loading. Getting the list, length. So in the previous component, you have displayed everything. So we'll not display everything. We'll display only name and price. Here in the list, it will say display name and price. Whichever the name we click, their details will come here. Whichever the name will click, their details will come. Okay, so that we are going to do. Ready? So let's create another variable, const item details. Operate details equal to user state. We need one variable. Inside the variable, you will keep as a square bracket simply. Okay, ready? Now see, we have a variable called item details. And what is holding by default? Empty. We will call here item details at this place. At this place. We are fetching all the data and in reverse order, we are sending to update item. At the same time, from item array, the first element we will send to the item details. See, when this page will load, function will call. It will call the data. After calling the data in reverse order will go to where? Yeah. Item, update item. From update item, it will go to the item list. What we did at the same time, the first item details we given to whom? Update. First item details we given to update details. Update details will pass to the item details. That meaning under the item details, we have the first product details. On page load, we have to display something, at least one product details we have to show, right? Come now below. After this paragraph, display here inside a item list dot map. No, item list. First, we need to display the item list. Okay, if you have confusion in this point, you can comment this. Or code you have written, let it be. You will understand what is that, what is going to happen. Okay, info, comma, index. Return you can put a label here. Inside the label you print the info.name with the price, info.price. Remaining thing will be so one label. For this label we can keep key as an index. This is your, if update details you will forget it. Okay, update item details why we created, update details why we created, forget it. Now data is listing. From data we are printing the name and price using label which printing name and price, so that it will come in one line. Check now. Okay, all items are coming in the left side. All items are okay. So why can't we create the button here? We can create a button, no, better. Button open and button close. Okay, button open close. For button we can write some CSS later. If required, this all you can keep in a paragraph so that all will come in the middle. Paragraph open before map and paragraph close after map. And for this paragraph, you write a line center. So everything will come in the middle. CENTER. Check now. List of button will appear. We can write some CSS for button also. Map be used inside the paragraph as a line center. So everything will come in middle.
Sir, not able to working in 13.2 and also not able to working in 14.2 and not able to working in 17.8 also. I installed 3 times 3 versions, 13, 14 and 17. And it is not able to work in any of that version.
Replace your operating system. That is only next solution. If working for everyone, you have any system admin permission?
System admin permission, so I don't know about that.
Is your laptop or office laptop?
Mine laptop only.
Admin for everyone.
Only XiOS is not working. It is showing error only. I don't know what is happening. Currently, in my laptop, the same version that Archito have, I have that same version, and it's working in his laptop, but not in mine.
Yeah, I can also fix the technical thing only, no system related problem I cannot fix.
Hmm.
What you will do is you will check in your system, do you have a space? Drive you are installing,
Yes, sir.
you have a space? Then that kind of problem is not available for anyone.
Can I should uninstall everything that Node.js and VS Code. Again, I'll install.
That
Then it should work.
and uninstalling or whichever the error is coming, that error you can copy and paste on internet. See, maybe some people have given solution for that. Some error is coming, no? That error you can copy.
Yes, sir. Sir, whole error from error E404 to last till last.
Not all, something meaningful error only.
Complete logo for them. 4404.
Okay, so this is coming, right? Onion everywhere the price is 30 rupees only. Okay, let me add one more. API to go. Okay. 40 rupees quantity to item photo something 5.jpg and then details is okay. It's got added here. If I go here, I can see, yeah, it's coming different. Something like this. No. Check your loop is running. Are you able to see? Hmm.
I have one doubt. Every time we are using map function, we will not use for loop or while loop here. React.
React only map will work.
For and while loops we will not use.
No. Only map function we will use to render the output. See here, you are merging HTML and for loop together, correct? Here you can write the for loop, do while loop, anything. Inside the function you can write any loop.
Yeah.
That is okay. But under the HTML you will use only map. Okay, so hope you are ready to go next. What should happen next is when we click on mango details will come here. Okay, so we have, see, already the first item details. Inside the item array, what we have? 0 position, we have first item that we have already stored under this variable. item details that we are going to print below now. Item details dot go up to this paragraph, use a division, and you can use here class name equal to what was that? Product only, no? Inside the product, we can use first H3 item details or item info, where we store item details. 0th level position element is available under the item details. So item details dot name. Yes, let us check once it is coming or error is coming. If error comes, then this name we have to keep there as an empty element. No, error is not there. It's coming here. Let me go and come back. No error. Onion is coming first. Okay, but first is what? Mango. Okay. Because we have reversed the array. After reversing here sending, so it will become little mismatch. Come now. Print the img src equal to item details dot photo height equal to 200 and width equal to 100%. 100%. Next, after that, in the paragraph, print the price. Price is item details dot price. Next, we have quantity. In a stock. Item details dot qty. Next, we can write here in stock, stock. Next paragraph will be details. Item details dot item details dot what is that? Details. Item details dot details. So on page load, it will display the one product details. And when we click on button, it should display it should change the details of particular product according to click, where we are going to click. See here, it is displaying one product details. If I click anywhere, that details will come in. Print this, then I will write the upper portion. Hello. Nah. Anyone is getting data? we need to call the respective item on button click. Item details. Update. Okay, sir. चल रहा है कंटिन्यूअस वन में आप चल रहा है देखिए कनेक्शन अभी फिर खत्म रुका इसलिए परेशान getting the data. Come next. Now after that, see, don't forget to add this one use effect, else your page will go under the infinite loop. You will not get the actual output. Page will be stuck somewhere. Just scroll down the page, click. We have pending still some more work on button click. We need to change.
Defaultly, we are showing one record, sir. On click, the second record will sit into the second next to the first record, right?
That we have to write still. No. Next button click, whichever the button you will click, that product will come here. Okay, it will not be like if you click here, the 2 will come. If you click here, 3 will come. Whichever you click here, that will display here. By default, it is displaying one first item. Once you click on mango, mango will come here.
Yeah, okay, sir.
We have to do some more thing here. Ready? Yes, only Apple. Only Apple will come. The first element will display by default. Okay. Now go and write a button here. See, this logic we got understanding or not? Now inside the item details, we have one product details. On button click, we will pass the other product details. On button click, we'll pass the other product details. Where? Under this variable, item details. For that, you have to write a function here. Maybe anything. Const process item. Process item. Or maybe pass item, anything, right? Pass item better. receive here called index. Index. You have to send from there 0, 1, 2, 3 index only. But again, the problem is array is coming in reverse order. That should not be something wrong. Okay, no problem. See here, and don't pass index. Keep call item directly. Call this update item function and pass inside complete item details. Item. In item, we'll send one item details directly. Here we are passing the complete details of n product of a product. The variable. On button click will call the pass item, and from there one product details will send you. See, yes, look at here. There is a button. On click. Call the function. Which function? Pass item. Inside the pass item, you can't pass directly. Bind you have to call here. Okay. Inside the bind, this will be the first comma. This will come first, comma. Info, complete info. So info, what it will hold? Info will hold one product details. That one product details will go to where? Pass item, and it will capture under the item, and from item it will go to the item details. Item details will change into the that particular array. Whichever we click, that particular item will display. Just add this point. On click equal to pass item dot info.
We'll take name, price, ID, quantity, photo, all the
Yes, all is passing inside.
through item.
Yes, inside the item, info is holding name, price, quantity, everything. So from info it will come and capture under the item. From item it will go to the item details. Okay. From item details, where it will go? It will go to the update item. From update item it will go to the item details, and below we are printing something. So whichever the button we click, that particular product details will be listed down. Working. Oh, the Google का चीज है. Similar है. We are doing on click, that is on over. See, on click is happening or not? Whichever you click, it will happen because these all are onion only. I have added onion 3 times. Let me delete one onion. How many onion is there? One onion, 3 onion. Now I should have 3 items: mango, potato, onion. See, working. Based on this, you can complete, develop a product. Many things we can do. Okay, so hope working. See you on Monday. This video will come in. Study video is added in the channel. Today video also I'll upload today night. You can watch from there.
Thanks, Ray.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good one.